This TikTok page is literally blowing up and making at least $2,000 to $3,000 per month just by posting different videos on TikTok Shop. It's actually amazing how so many people are earning thousands of dollars on TikTok through TikTok affiliate commissions. How is that even possible? In this video, I will explain exactly how they did it. Basically, TikTok Shop affiliate program is taking all over the internet and is currently one of the easiest, latest, and most profitable business you can start in 2025. To start a successful TikTok Shop page, first, you need to have a trending and hot-selling product. So to find a winning product, let's head over to this website called Shoplus. This tool is only designed for TikTok Shop affiliates, and it helps you to find trending niches, hot-selling products, top influencers, and much more. But the question is, how you can find viral products like this and start selling them on TikTok. It's easy. First, head back to Shoplus, and there you need to change the country settings from here to see relevant data of your target audience. From here, you can check out videos with the best sales performance. This will give you a clear idea of what's working and what's not. This information would help you choose your niche properly. Now, if you want to check out the newly added products, click on this tab to see all the available options. Here, you will find tons of growing products and how much they have generated through TikTok Shop. Next, you want to click on the drop-down option in category and select the health option. This way, you will find a lot of options for the supplements which are selling madly right now. If we go into the product videos option right here, you can clearly see what type of products creators are promoting and how much they are generating through TikTok Shop. The next best strategy to choose a product is to choose the one which has at least a commission rate of 10 to 30%. Right now, Shoplus provides a free trial to everyone, so visit shoplus.net on PC to get this offer. Now, let's move on towards the video creation step. So let's say you've done your research and decided to promote creatine-infused gummies, which has a commission rate of 27% and has made over this much amount in the last 7 days. Impressive, right? The next step is to find a competitor's video promoting the same product that has performed well. For instance, in my case, I found this video with 3.9 million views. Once you have that, you'll need to transcribe the script. You can do the transcription through any online tool. The goal now is to use this script as a template to create your own version. To do this, open ChatGPT and tell the chatbot that you are making a 30 to 40 second short video for TikTok, and you will provide a script which the chatbot needs to rewrite with the same structure, style, tone, and length. After that, simply paste the competitor's script into the prompt. ChatGPT will rewrite it, keeping the same style, but making it a little tweaked. For example, the third line of original script says, "By day 3, your confidence will rise as cortisol level drops." The one which we generated says, "On day 3, you'll notice an increase in confidence as the hormone cortisol decreases." You see? It keeps the same structure, but it's not a duplicate. So by now, you should have your script ready. Now it's time to create the visuals. To make the visuals, just use the prompt you see on the screen. You might be wondering, what does this prompt do? Well, it gives you a full plan for your video, including each scene and ideas for visuals. This makes things much easier and saves you a lot of time. So, I spent some time with Leonardo and ChatGPT to create all the AI images I needed for the video. Here are some of the prompts I used to generate the images. You can adjust them if you need something similar. The next step is to generate a voiceover for your script. For that, simply go to 11 Labs, paste your script inside the box, and then from the drop-down menu, select your desired voice. Then, click Generate. In a few moments, the voiceover should be ready. So, at this stage, you should have everything ready. A high-performing product, a well-crafted script, eye-catching visuals,
and an engaging voiceover like this one.
This means it's time to put everything together and create an outstanding video using CapCut. However, I won't be the one showing you how to do it, so let's all invite Master Lumen.
All right, guys, here's how to do it. Creating videos with CapCut is super easy. First, open CapCut and start a new project. Set it up for TikTok and be quick. Import your voiceover, drag it to the timeline. Cut out the silent parts to make it look fine. No silence means viewers stay engaged. This step is key, so don't skip this stage. Next, add your images to the timeline and watch them flow. Align each image with your voiceover and make it neat. Also, make sure to include footage of the product. Now your voiceover and visuals are all in place. You're almost done. You're in the final race. Add transitions. Drag and drop them with style. Keep it fun and engaging. Make viewers stay a while. Want to make it even better? Add captions. Click text, then auto captions, and let it do the work for you. Pick the style and color that feels just right. Your video is now all perfect, ready to export. Now, back to you, Victoria. Your feedback is important.
All right, Master. Thanks for the great explanation. Now, let's check out how the video turned out.
This is what will likely happen if you take creatine gummies for 7 days. On day 1, you'll notice an increase in energy due to your body receiving 87 out of the 105 essential minerals you need. On day 3, you'll notice an increase in confidence as the hormone cortisol decreases. On day 5, your skin will start to clear up and become softer thanks to the creatine killing off bacteria. On day 7, you'll feel a way you've never felt before as you gain muscle mass from the creatine. I highly recommend trying it out for yourself. And if you don't believe, buy a pack from the TikTok shop below and reap the benefits of the ongoing sale now.
This is absolutely amazing. You just have to find trendy products through Shoplus, then find a similar video, create a similar script, generate amazing images through prompts, create a voiceover, and then edit your video like I have shown you. And the best part is every step in the video is done for totally free. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe.